Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be trying out the Clean Girl makeup look, which is basically a makeup look that looks like we're wearing a little to no makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's begin. I'm just going to start by brushing through my eyebrows with a spoolie. If you guys want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, I'll have a link down in the description box so you guys can go check that out. Once my eyebrows are done, I'm just going to go in with my concealer to cover all the little spots and dark areas on my face. I like to let it air dry a bit before I go in and blend it out with a brush and my finger.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party.
Once everything is blended in, I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer to ensure that we have a smooth finish. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer to brightening up my under eye. I'm also going to highlight the center of my nose to create the illusion that I have a nose bridge. Now I'm just gonna go in with this beauty blender to pat everything in so that it looks like skin before we blend in the under eye.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
To set my under eyes and face, I'm just going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder. I'm going to apply 2 layers of powder before setting everything in place with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face, including my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the True Blend contour palette to lightly contour my cheekbone.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
Now I'm going to go in with the Moira's Meant to Be Destiny Eye and Face palette to add a bit of blush to my cheek area.
You're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name.
We're going to use the shades Hot Felt and Saintly to create today's eye look.
She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never write.
Now I'm going to go in with some play to highlight my cheekbone area. Now I'm going to line my lip and we can move to the eyelashes.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now.
Here is today's beautiful eyelash. I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance.
Now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara to add a bit of thickness to my eyelash.
really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Now we're just gonna go in with this Amora setting spray to set everything in place, and here is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.